Hi all and welcome to another video. We'll today be looking at the installation process of the popular Latte Dock. So there's two ways of installing Latte Dock, and you can do this through the Package Manager GUI or you can use the terminal. So firstly, let's take a look at the terminal way of doing things. So you want to do a sudo pacman -S, and then we want the latte-dock. Hit enter and then put in your password. So you can see this now comes up to install, and if you wish to proceed with this, you can do so by pressing Y. And if you prefer the graphical software managers such as Pacman or AutoPy, then it's pretty simple to install. So if we open up Pamac and search for Latte Dock instead, go to the search and search for Latte. Click on install and then apply. Enter in your password. Clicking on apply. And that's now completed. So what we do before you actually open up Latte Dock is on edit panel, and I always move this to the top, put the height a little bit further up until the icons on the right here just change over to these smaller icons, and double left click to come off that. So now that's moved out of the way, we can search for Latte, double click on it and it will disappear at the bottom. There we go. So you see, for myself, I use a background just behind the dock, and you can do this by going onto the dock settings, going onto the appearance and doing the background just here with the size bar. So if you don't want the background, you can remove that by dragging this, or if you want a smaller one just as a almost like a shadow to the bottom of it, you can put it about halfway. So if you want to change the size of the dock itself, you can use this bar here and that'll make it expand a bit further. So if you go onto behavior and you want to move it onto the sides of the screen, so if you do right, for example, you want to click on right, and that's now moved over there. So if you put it back to the bottom, and you can also change the visibility if you want to have, when you have windows open, and if you want the dock to still be there, or if you want it to hide away while you're working, you can customize this to how you really want. So that's pretty much it for the Latte Dock. It's a pretty straightforward installation. So yeah, if you have any problems or questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and please do like and subscribe.